Meron po tayong proseso.
I know the process, sir. But sir, you can
Pwede
cut...
ko bang i-drug yung tao ko para personal nilang buhay yan?
Sir
Hindi
naman,
yan.
I know personal
Wala
boy,
pang
pero,
may file na kaso, eh.
pero sir, he committed a crime. There was a
Yes,
crime committed.
patunayan niya.
Then sir,
Meron tayong proseso, Mr. Tulfo.
a crime was committed, then you are responsible
Unless
to your man.
proven, wala pang may file na kaso.
Sir, it doesn't matter. Sir, I'll give you an example. Halimbawa, ako po, yung tao ko, kasamahan ko sa RTIA, may
Ito
ginawang,
siguro.
may
Pero
ginawang
kami,
kalokohan.
nag-observe kami ng proseso.
Well, sir, cut the proseso. That's the reason some people come to me because I
No,
deliver result.
assumption mo yan. Assumption mo yan. May proseso tayo, may batas tayo sinusunod.
Assumption, I'm not assuming here. Ako po, marami ako napatunayan. Ikaw, anong napatunayan mo sa Las Piñas? Have you done anything in your life? Come on. Ako, I've done so many things. Kasi kaya ko mag-deliver. Ikaw, what have you delivered? Tao mo hindi mo kaya?
Proseso, ano yung nangyari. Tapos ngayon, sasabihin
No, sir.
ang lalait
No, sir.
ka.
A crime was committed by your man.
No, you judge me.
That is a
Sinasabi mo
crime,
ulit ako,
sir.
bakit mo?
That
Anong
is a
karapatan
crime.
mong
The
sabihan
fact na
pumuwik ako?
kukunin niya yung bata at sabi niya, hiramin lang,
Anong
hindi
karapatan
kinainan niya.
mong sabihan mo akong weak leader ako?
Because that's my opinion. I'm entitled to my opinion. You can say anything against me.
Opinion mo yan. Nakikisuyo ka eh.
No, sir. No, you're a public servant, sir. You're a public servant. Huwag ka dapat magbalat sibuyas. Public servant ka, sir. And I'm entitled to my
Yes,
own
alam
opinion.
ko.
And you can also say anything against me. At tatangipin ko yan. Dahil you're entitled to your opinion.
Nakisuyo ka para makausap yung tao. Ngayon sasabihan mo kung weak leader
Nakisuyo
ako.
ako para sabihin sa'yo, yung
Bakit?
tao mo gumawa ng
Alam
mali.
mo ba
Disiplinahin mo
yung
yung tao mo
ginagawa
gumawa
ko
ng mali,
dito?
sir. Mali yung tao mo, sir. Hindi ikaw
Hindi,
mali dito,
mali
ang tao
ka.
mo. Pero however, sir, para
Nandiliit
kinukonsinti mo.
ka. Masyado kang maliit ng tao. You judge me.